Hi everyone, welcome back to RS Academy. This is Ravi. How to find A inverse to A by using Cayley-Hamilton theory. The question A I took here. We have to find A inverse by using Cayley. Okay. So given matrices A is equals to the question I was taken here. In next step, the characteristic equation of A is det A minus lambda I is equals to 0. Now we have to solve this. So in a det, I took A value minus lambda I. What is meant by lambda I? Diagonally we will get a lambdas because lambda into I. Now we should subtract these two, right? So see, 2 minus lambda, 3 minus 0, 3, 4 minus 0, 4, 0 minus 0, 0, 1 minus lambda, 1 minus lambda, 5 minus 0, 5, okay, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, minus 1 minus lambda is equals to 0. Now we should use det formula to solve this. So what is det formula? Capital A, AD minus BC minus B, AD minus BC plus C, AD minus BC is equals to 0 is a det formula. So in this, capital A is 2 minus lambda, that is taken here. Capital B is 3, capital C is equals to 4. Now we are talking about this, so we have to cancel this and this. So we got these 4 values. So A, B, C, D. C, D, AD 1 minus lambda into minus 1 minus lambda, C, and minus because minus, BC 5 into 0, 0, again minus because minus, what is B? Now B is 3, I have taken here 3, okay. So if we considering the 3, we should not take this and this value. Only we have to consider this and this. Now AD, A into D, A into D, 0 into 1 minus lambda, 0, and minus BC, B and C, 5 into 0, 0. So total we got 0 here. And next plus C. What is C value? C is a 4. So 4 I have taken here. Now we are talking about this 4. So we should cancel this and this. Now this is A, B, C, D. Isn't? 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 1 minus lambda, 0. That's why I got here 0. Now 2 minus lambda I was taken here. 1 into minus 1, minus 1, minus lambda into minus 1, minus lambda, okay. So again minus lambda, right, minus lambda into minus 1, only lambda will get, that is plus lambda, minus lambda, lambda square. And here 0, no need of taking this, 3 into 0, 0, and 4 into 0, 0, and equals to 0 I have taken here. Now look at here, minus lambda plus lambda will be cancelled, lambda square will get, so I have taken here lambda square and minus 1. Now you should multiply this both, this into this. So 2 into lambda square, 2 lambda square, 2 into minus 1, minus 2, 2 into lambda square, 2 into lambda square, okay, 2 into lambda square, 2 into minus 1, minus 2, and minus lambda and plus lambda square, lambda cube, and lambda into 1, lambda, minus into minus plus is equals to 0. Now I am rearranging this equation. First I am taking lambda cube here, next this one, and next this, and next last this one, because lambda cube, lambda square, lambda. After this, by according to the Cayley-Hamilton theory, A should satisfy this equation. So that in the place of lambda, I am taking A. In the place of lambda, I am taking A. Here there is no A. That's why I am taking I is equals to 0. Now this became according to the Cayley-Hamilton theorem equation. Okay. Now this equation became according to the Cayley-Hamilton theory. After this, I am multiplying the A inverse both sides. See, A inverse into 0, 0 into A inverse. Now, A inverse into this equation, I got like this. So, now both sides, here A inverse, here A inverse I got. Now, 0 into A inverse, 0. So, A inverse into A cube, 1A should reduce. That's it. That is a simple trick. A cube becomes A square becomes A inverse into A inverse into A inverse into A is equals to I. Now A inverse into A inverse we got. Okay. After this, minus 2A inverse we should send other side. We'll get plus 2A inverse, and rest A square, 2A and I should take as this. After this, send this to other side, we got 1 by 2. Isn't it? 2, if you send other side, it will become division. So now this is the equation 1. In this, first we have to solve the A square value, because to simplify the sum, we should separately solve the A square value. So now I am taking A square, means A into A. What is A? Given the question is the A. And again other A. Now I am multiplying these both. Like rows into column, I got this. 2 into 2, 4. 3 into 0, 0. 4 into 0, 0. Again, rows into second column. 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 4 0s are 0. Again, rows into third column. 2 4s are 8, 3 5s are 15, 4 1s are minus 4. Next, second row into first column. 0 into 2, 0, 1 into 0, 0, 5 into 0, 0. Next, second row into second column. 0 into 3, 0, 1 into 1, 1, 5 into 0, 0. Next, row into column. 0 into 4, 0, 1 into 5, 5, 5 into minus 1, minus 5. After that, third row, first column. 0 into 2, 0, 0 into 0, 0, minus 1 into 0, 0. Again, third row, second column. 0 into 3, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0, 0. And 0 into 4, 0, 0 into 5, 0, minus 1 into minus 1, plus 1. After this, we have to solve. See, both are 0, 4 you have to take here. 6 plus 3, 9. So, in this 8 minus 4, 4. 4 plus 15, 19. Okay. So, zeros, 0, 1 you have to take, zeros, 0. These both will cancel, 0. 1 here, 1 I have taken here. Now, we got here A square value. Now, this A square value, we have to substitute in this, right? And A value also, and I value. For that, I am considering this only this value. I am solving separately, only this value. That's why considering the minus A square plus 2A plus I have taken here. Okay. Now, what is A square value? This is the A square value. Substitute in this A square. What is A value? This is the A value I have taken here. And what is I value? I is a identity, diagonally 1 1 1. Now add this. Before adding that, minus I have to take to this matrices. Minus 4 into minus 4, minus 9 into minus 9, minus 19, minus 1, minus 1. Here multiply the 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2. And this I was taken same as it is. After this, add this 3, 1, 2, 3 matrices. So minus 4, 4, 1, minus 9, 6, 0, minus 19, 8, 0, 0, 0, 0. Minus 1, 2, 1, 0, 10, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, minus 1, minus 2, 1, minus 1, minus 2, 1. Now 4, 4 will cancel, 1 you got here, and 9 minus 6, minus 3, because bigger had a negative value, right? And 19 minus 8, minus 11, 0, minus 1 plus 1 cancel, only 2, 10 is there, 10, all zeros, plus 1 minus 1 cancel, minus 2 you got here. This is the value of this. So now this value you should substitute in this, you will get final answer. So A inverse is equals to half, C is equals to half, and this value is this. So we substitute this value in this, I got this value. So this is the A inverse. By using Cayley-Hamilton theory, we find the A inverse. I hope you understand, students. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share to your friends. Bye.